Hi everyone, I am Navaneeth Krishnan. I am a wildlife photographer, and in this video we are going to talk about how to move and copy your files through Lightroom. I would like to say Lightroom is more of a photo management tool than a photo processing tool. This is the home screen of Lightroom, and let's see how Lightroom acts like a photo management tool. Clicking on the import button at the bottom left corner of the screen and the import screen pops up. As you see, there are 4 options that you can perform using Lightroom, such as move, add, copy and copy as DNG. In this video, we will be performing the action move and copy. Before we start moving our pictures, as the name suggests, move just means moving your picture from a source to a destination. Check the source from where you have your file currently. I choose this particular file in this folder. Check the destination to which the file have to be moved, and when you have fixed the source and destination, you can go ahead with the moving of your pictures. By doing this process, you are not actually moving files into Lightroom. Rather, you are moving files from one source to a destination through Lightroom. When you choose copy as an option for transferring your files, you copy your files from one destination to another, rather from a source to a destination. What is the difference between move and copy? When you move your file from a source to a destination, and then when you check from your source, your file is not there, it just remains in your destination. Whereas in a copy, when you copy your file from a source to a destination, and once the process is completed and you check, the file remains in source as well as in the destination. The file just gets copied from one place to another, whereas in move, the file just gets moved from one place to another. That is a major difference between move and copying your file. By doing this practice, you not just move your files from a source to a destination, rather you bring in your files into Lightroom, which can later be used for processing as well. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope this information was very much useful. I'll come up with an amazing video. Until then, do follow me on Instagram. Thank you.